Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting hardware ready. Plug the dock's USB-C power into a 45W PD adapter and into the dock's PD port. Once done, connect the HDMI cable from the dock to your monitor or TV. Make sure the TV input matches. Next, slide any USB peripherals into the dock's USB ports so they're recognized immediately. You're initiating power and video before attaching the Steam Deck to avoid display negotiation glitches later. So take a moment to confirm connections are snug. You now place the Steam Deck onto the dock's USB-C connector. Align it carefully and slide until it seats. Don't force. Once docked, power on the deck or wake it. The OS will negotiate display output automatically. If the image doesn't appear, open Settings right arrow display to select the external monitor and set resolution. Make sure to allow any displayed prompts on the deck for USB accessories or external display access so controllers, keyboard, and audio route correctly through the dock. To finish, verify audio and controls. Choose HDMI output in the deck's audio menu and test keyboard or controller inputs. Once connected, you can change refresh rate or scale in display settings for performance versus clarity. If something goes wrong, start with a power cycle. Undock, unplug dock power for 10 seconds, then reconnect. This clears negotiation issues. If problems persist, swap HDMI cables or check the dock firmware and deck updates. These steps resolve the majority of connection and peripheral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.